IKEA! We haven't been here since the whole pandemic. Store entrance line. What a cute showroom. Oh, I like these lamps. How cute. Oh, hold on. These shelves are pretty. What is this called? $49.99 for the shelves. I did not have room for shelves. Wow, I love it. $14.99 for this one? Wait, what's in here? Find it in the marketplace. Okay, time to take some pictures. I like the curtains. The ones we have in our room are similar to this. It's pink on the outside, except this right here is it's white. I kind of just switched it around from how it was before. Practically the same thing. I really like this. It's so cute. We're in a different room, a different showroom, but I'm still thinking about those white shelves. Looking at this blanket and the color scheme of the sofa, it's gray, which is like primarily the color of our comforter and our bed sheets. I think this will go well with our bedding. I love how it's like a pale pink. Let's see. 24. This is actually perfect. I was looking for one of these, just like a glass dome. $7.99 for a huge one, and then $4.99 for a small one. Okay, cool. Marketplace. I was just searching for that on Amazon 2 nights ago, and then they have it here. I always like the way how these look, you know, with the glass, so you can see right through it. It's so clean looking, especially if all of your plates are all the same. It looks so sleek. I mean, not specifically this design, but I'm just saying in general, if it's clear. This is the bed that we currently have, the mom bed frame. How pretty is this light fixture? I mean, they basically just put a whole bunch of those rice paper above. We have one, but I think it looks pretty as a cluster. I like the idea. How dope is this room? This is like the complete opposite of what our room is right now. It's very like Christian grey in my opinion. Welcome to my closet. Goals. Seriously, goals. That's beautiful. A while back we were gonna change our closet doors with these, but it was just gonna be too much of a hassle, so we ended up not doing it. It is so sleek. So we basically shopped the showroom, so now let's go check out the marketplace. Let's see what stuff we actually end up picking up. Most cases I would probably just grab a bag, but because we did snap a bunch of pictures for, like, you know, the actual name, I think we need a cart today. So we're home, had dinner, and I'm about to just like get some work done, watch some YouTube videos, and relax the rest of the evening. But anyway, I ended up picking up some items for the whole fall decor, like the bedroom decor. They were really inexpensive, and again, they go with like the whole color scheme, the whole theme of the room. I will link everything down below in the description box. But this first one is, it's that little cloche. Had a couple of these before, like a few years ago, and I would love to put my jewelry in here or just display stuff. This one you kind of just place, say, your candle or maybe whatever
object you don't want to get dusty. I mean, it's all really for the look, and you just kind of put it over it. So I thought this was just so cute. It was really inexpensive. I think it was like $4 or $5.99. I was actually searching this up on Amazon because I really wanted to purchase one, but you know, we found it at IKEA and really inexpensive. So we also ended up purchasing the larger one. Is this cracked? No. I thought it was cracked for a second. This will be great for the larger 3-wick candles. And this was $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. So you know when you're in IKEA and you go through the whole showroom, the marketplace area, and then you're finally in the area where you just like pick up the stuff, contemplating on purchasing that white glass shelf. No room for it in our room unless I put it like on my husband's side, and I know he would appreciate it. Although it was really pretty, it would go with the whole aesthetic of the room. It was just not a need, but this was definitely a need. Purchasing the soft pink throw because it just matches the room perfectly. I mean, matches like everything perfectly, and this is gonna be our little throw to put over our comforter. I already have one. Actually purchased that one from Target, but you know, I wasn't really 100% with it. I was still kind of doubting it, so I will be returning it, but this is like perfect, and it's nice and warm and cozy, and I like the materials. A light fixture. Now if you are not aware, up here I have a lantern that I use really when I'm filming, just so that I have some light kind of shining from above me to kind of bounce off the reflectors. I ended up getting this. My husband's gonna have to install it. Ooh, it's backwards, but we went with this. It's called the Vincast. So basically it's like this kind of frilly white ball. It looks very feminine and just girly, and it casts like a really soft glow. Planning to place this like right smack in the center of the ceiling to create a nice ambiance for the room. Although let me tell you, we have like a bunch of lights. We have LED lights, galaxy lights, we have fairy lights in here, but this one is going to be like the main focal point. Like once you flip the switch, that's gonna illuminate the room. Frilly, dainty, kind of romantic feel for the bed. At least when I saw the display, that's what I thought. I was just sold when I saw it. I was like, oh, it's so pretty, and it said it was new. There were so many new little items that I wouldn't even think that they're from IKEA, and they're really affordable. So that's everything I ended up purchasing today from, I wanted to say home goods, from IKEA. Let me know, what did you think of the items I ended up picking up? Have you guys been to IKEA lately? If you have, what items have you picked up? What items are you eyeing? I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today. If you did, please make sure you give this a like. Subscribe if you have not already. We'd love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video.